had a talk with Honorable Bharat Sahib.
This call is now being recorded.
And it has been clarified that now I should focus on two poems, one written by Andrew Marvell with the title To His Coy Mistress, and one written by George Herbert with the title The Caller. During our last class, we completed our points on the sun rising. We first discussed the features of the metaphysical poetry. That was followed with our discussion on Holy Sonnet number 10, Death Be Not Proud. That was followed with our discussion on the flea. And after the flea, the poem that we discussed, that is with the title The Sun Rising. And during our last meeting, which was on Sunday morning, we completed all the points also on the sun rising. And it was decided that we should begin with a new poem. And accordingly, now the poem with which we should begin is To His Coy Mistress by Andrew Marvell. Simply mention the title. We will discuss the poem, and after the discussion, we will switch over to the points. To T capital, his H capital, coy, C-O-Y, C capital, to his coy mistress, M capital, M-I-S-T-R-E-S-S, to his coy mistress. It is written by a poet who belongs to the school of Donne, who is also a follower of the metaphysical style of writing poetry, and his name is Andrew, A-N-D-R-E-W, Andrew, A-N-D-R-E-W, Andrew Marvell, M-A-R-V-E-L-L, M-A-R-V-E-L-L, Marvell, M capital, Andrew Marvell. Okay, don't write now anything. I will give you the points afterwards. Let us try to understand the poem first. To His Coy Mistress is just like the flea or the sun rising, a poem dealing with the theme of love. The reading of the poem makes it clear that it is addressed to the beloved by her lover. The lover is the speaker. The poem is to his beloved. And in the flea, we find a biological image. In the sun rising, the image of the sun is used for the expression of love. Here we find a remarkable image from the field of agriculture used by Andrew Marvell for the expression of love. The lover wants to express his love, but for that purpose, the image that he for the expression of love is from the field of agriculture. Let us see. This is how the poem goes. પહેલા આપણે કવિતાને સમજીએ અને એન્જોય કરીએ. પોઈન્ટ્સ પછી આપીશ. Had we but the world enough and time. The poem opens with conditional sentence. જો આમ હોત તો આમ થાત. Had we but world enough and time, this coyness lady were no crime. Had we enough time, had we enough world, compared to time eternal, man's existence for say 80 years or 90 years or at the most 100 years, it is just like a moment. We don't have enough time. We don't have enough space. Both time and space are limited for us. Oh, my dear beloved. Oh, my dear lady. Had we enough time, had we enough world, then your coyness would not have been a crime. But your coyness is a crime. તું જે આ શરમાળ છું એ આ એક ગુનાહ જેવું છે. You shouldn't do this because if we don't have enough time and enough space, human existence of say 80 or 90 years is not just a moment compared to time eternal. અનંત કાળના અનુસંધાનમાં સંદર્ભમાં માનવીનું જીવન જે 80, 90 કે 100 વર્ષનું હોય એ એક ક્ષણ જેટલું પણ ન કહી શકાય. We don't have space, we don't have time. So, oh my dear lady love, let there be no coyness. Don't be coy, don't be shy like this. Had we but enough, had we but world enough and time, this coyness, lady, were no crime. Then it would have not been a crime. Then your coyness I would have appreciated. I would have liked it. Had we enough time, had we enough world. But our time is limited. Our space is also limited. And so your coyness is a crime. We would sit down and think which way to walk. Had we enough time, had we enough space, then we would have, we would have sat down. We would have passed our time, leisurely, giving a great time even to think which way to go. ક્યાં ચાલવા જવું છે, ક્યાં ફરવા જવું છે, એ નક્કી કરવા માટે આપણે બહુ સમય બેસી રહ્યા હોત સાથે, જો પૂરતો સમય હોત તો. But our space is limited, our time is limited. So we don't have time to think about which way to go. ક્યાં જવું ફરવા માટે એ વિચારવાનો પણ સમય જ નથી આપણી પાસે. Had we but world enough and time, this coyness, lady, were no crime. We would sit down and think which way to walk and pass our long lost day. And we would have taken enough time even to decide which way we should go for our morning walk, which way we should go for our evening walk. And this is how we would have passed our day. Thou by the Indian Ganges side should rubies find. See, that means even during the time of Andrew Marvell, the Ganges of India was popular there also. Had we enough time, had we enough space, we would have passed hours together simply to think which way to go for our evening walk, morning walk, for passing our days. We would have gone to the bank of the Ganges, and there in that case you would collect rubies on the bank of the Ganges. I repeat the line. We would sit down and think which way to walk and pass our long lost day. Thou by the Indian Ganges side should rubies find. I by the tide of Humber would complain. I would love you 10 years before the flood. I would love you 10 years before the flood. Had we been eternal, had we enough time, I would have continued loving you for how much? How long time? I would love you 10 years before the flood. Before the flood. Before the flood of what? Before the flood of water. Before the flood of the passing of the time, you can say. Had we enough time, I would have passed my days and months and years leisurely loving you. But whatever we want to do, we are in a hurry because we don't have enough time. We don't have enough space. Our space is limited. Our time is also limited. He finds himself helpless that he has to do everything in a hurry because he has to see the clock. He has to see the clock. टाइम पासिस, वक्त चलता ही रहता है, रुकता नहीं, एक पल में वो आगे निकल जाता है, आदमी ठीक से देख पाता नहीं, एक बार चले जाते हैं जो दिन रात सुबह शाम, वो फिर नहीं आते. He doesn't have enough time. The lover, space is limited, time is limited, so please don't be coy, don't be shy like this. I go ahead. I by the tide of Amber would complain, I would love you 10 years before the flood, and you should, if please, refuse till the conversion of the Jews. I would have continued expressing my love for you for 10 years, and in that case, you would have been free to reject my love till the conversion of the Jews. 1 minute. Now, I would have continued expressing my love for you for 10 years, and I would not have objected you refusing my love till the conversion of the Jews. જ્યાં સુધી જ્યુઝ ક્રિશ્ચિયન્સ ન બને ત્યાં સુધી ત્યાં મને ના પાડ્યા કરી હોત તોય મને વાંધો ન, અને હું 10 વર્ષ સુધી મારો પ્રેમ તને અભિવ્યક્ત કરતો રહે. અને તે the Jews, the Merchant of Venice, you must have read, I think. Shylock is a moneylender, Jew moneylender, and Bassanio and Antonio, they are Christians. Lorenzo is also a Christian in whose love Shylock's daughter is Jessica. He is not ready to allow, and that's why the pair elopes. They run away with a purpose to marry. Jews will never accept Christianity. જ્યાં સુધી યહૂદીઓ ક્રિશ્ચિયન ના થાય ત્યાં સુધી ત્યાં મને ના પાડ્યા કરી હોત તોય વાંધો નહોતો, અને હું વર્ષોના વર્ષ સુધી મારા પ્રેમની અભિવ્યક્તિ તને કર. but this luxury is not available to us because we don't have enough time, we don't have enough space. સમય પણ નથી, space પણ નથી. Going ahead. And if you please refuse till the conversion of the Jews. And see, then he says, my vegetable love should grow vaster than empires and more slow, and 100 years should go to praise thine eyes. My love is just like my vegetable love. See, this is the metaphysical image used by, you can say, Andrew Marvell. My vegetable love should grow vaster than empire. It is just like that vegetation, when the rainfall begins, everywhere on the soil you find green grass. It starts spreading, everywhere you find greenery. The same way my love grows. My love grows so wide and so speedily, as wide and as speedily, just like that vegetation when it is the monsoon. I repeat, my vegetable love should grow vaster than empires and more slow, and 100 years should go to praise thine eyes. And he states, in that case, had we enough time, had we enough space, I would have continued praising your eyes for such a long time. And 100 years should go to praise thine eyes. I would have taken 100 years simply to praise your eyes. Simply to praise your eyes, says the lover. પૂરતો સમય હોત, પૂરતો અવકાશ હોત, સ્પેસ, તો તારી આંખોના વખાણ કરવામાં મેં 100 વર્ષ તો લીધા હોત. 10 વર્ષ સુધી હું મારો પ્રેમ તારી સમક્ષ વ્યક્ત કરત, અને તું જ્યાં સુધી યહૂદીઓ ક્રિશ્ચિયન ન થાય ત્યાં સુધી તું ના પાડ્યા કરત, તોય મને વાંધો નથી. યહૂદીઓ ક્રિશ્ચિયાનિટી સ્વીકારે નહીં, અને ત્યાં સુધી તું મારો પ્રેમ સ્વીકાર નહીં, અને તોય મને વાંધો નતો, બીકોઝ ઇનફ ટાઈમ છે ને. પણ એવું નથી. The time is limited, the space is limited, and that's why he says, don't be coy, please. Your shyness is a crime right now. And he states, my vegetable love should grow vaster than empire and more slow. 100 years should go to praise thine eyes, and on thy forehead gaze, 200 to adore each breast. 100 વર્ષ તો હું લેત તારી આંખ અને આઈબ્રોને વખાણ કરવામાં. And in 100 years should go to praise thine eyes, and on thy forehead gaze, 200 to adore each breast. જો જરા ફિઝિકલ બને છે આ. It is known as metaphysical poetry, but here we find Andrew Marvell is becoming physical. To praise your each breast, I would take 200 years. તારા બંને સ્તનના વખાણ કરવા માટે હું 200 વર્ષ લેત. So had we enough time and space, જો પૂરતો સમય હોત તો, going ahead, 200 to adore each breast, but 30,000 to the rest. અને શરીરના બાકીના ભાગના વખાણ કરવા માટે બીજા 30,000 વર્ષ લેતો, જો સમય પૂરતો હોત તો. The whole poem is in a conditional sentence. જો આમ હોત તો હું આ બધું કરત. Had we enough time and space, this is what I would have done. I would have taken 100 years to praise your eyes and eyebrows. I would have taken 200 years to praise each breast, and 30,000 years for the rest, the remaining part of your body. I repeat, 200 to adore each breast, but 30,000 to the rest. And age at least to every part. દરેક તારા શરીરના દરેક અંગના વખાણ કરવા એક યુગ, one age, that is equivalent to one yuga era, what you call. એક યુગ તો મારે આપવો જ પડે ને, પૂરતો સમય હોય તો. But then an age to at least to every part, and the last age should show thy heart. અને છેલ્લો યુગ જ્યારે હોય ત્યારે હું તારા હૃદયના વખાણ કરે. For lady, thou deserve this state. તું આ પ્રકારના વખાણને માટે લાયક છું. તારી આંખને પ્રશંસા કરવા માટે 100 વર્ષ તો જોઈએ જ. તારા બંને બ્રેસ્ટને પ્રશંસા કરવા માટે 200 વર્ષ તો જોઈએ જ. તારા બાકીના શરીરના વખાણ કરવા 30,000 વર્ષ તો જોઈએ જ. અને છેલ્લું જ્યારે દરેક અંગને માટે એક યુગની જરૂરત છે વખાણ, અને છેલ્લે તારા હૃદયના વખાણ. Because for lady, કારણ કે oh lady, you deserve this state. તું આ સન્માન માટે લાયક છો. You deserve this state, nor would I love at lower rate. આનાથી ઓછું તો હું તને કશું આપી શકું જ નહીં. આટલું તો તારે મિનિમમ તને મળવું જ જોઈએ. એ આંખોના વખાણ કરવા 100 વર્ષ તો મારે વિતાવવા જ પડે ને, એ તો તારી લાયકાત એવી છે. એટલે says this man. આખું કન્ડિશનલ છે. આ બધું કરત, પણ ક્યારે બોલો તો? when the poet would like to do this, but when? જો એની પાસે શું હોત? કોઈને ખ્યાલ નથી આવતો. Had we but world and enough time, had we but world enough and time, જો સમય પૂરતો હોત આપણી પાસે, અવકાશ પૂરતો હોત, તો આ બધું મેં કર્યું હોત. તારી આંખોની પ્રશંસામાં 100 વર્ષ, તારા શરીરના દરેક અંગની પ્રશંસામાં એક યુગ મેં લીધો હોત. કારણ કે આનાથી ઓછું તો તને ખપે નહીં, અને દેવાય પણ નહીં તને. You deserve this kind of praise, appraisal. He wants to say, for lady, you deserve this state, nor would I love you at lower rate. But at my back, હવે જો, from this daydreaming, in the second stanza, he comes to reality. પૂરતો સમય હોત તો 10 વર્ષ સુધી તો હું મારા પ્રેમ માટે તારી આગળ અભિવ્યક્તિ કરત, અને તું યુગો સુધી ના પાડ્યા કરત તોય વાંધો નહોતો, જ્યાં સુધી યહૂદીઓ ક્રિશ્ચિયન ન બને ત્યાં સુધી. 100 વર્ષ તારી આંખના વખાણ કરત, અંગના વખાણ કરત, બાકીના આખા શરીરના વખાણ કરવા 30,000 વર્ષ લેત. દરેક અંગના વખાણ કરવા માટે એક યુગ તો ખરો જ, અને આનાથી ઓછું તને દેવાય નહીં, કારણ કે તારી લાયકાત એવી છે. પણ જો પૂરતો સમય અને અવકાશ હોત તો, had we enough time and space, આવું છે નહીં. He doesn't have enough time, he doesn't have enough space. So reality, now he comes to reality. But at my back, પાછળ તો સમય પડ્યો છે, મને પકડી લેવા માટે. 100 જ વર્ષ છે, 100 નહીં, કોણે કીધું 100? એ તો આપણે એવું માનીએ છીએ, કોની વિકેટ ક્યારે પડી જાય ખબર ન પડે. So but at my back I always hear time's winged chariot. Time is just like a winged chariot. પાંખો વાળો રથ હોય, સમય એવો છે, એટલી ઝડપથી આવશે અને મને એક વખત લઈ જશે. I'll be taken away, by time. I know that I'm going to die every moment. I'm reminded of it. Time flies with, in a winged chariot, you can say. પાંખો વાળા રથમાં સમય છે ને, હું એ સાંભળી છું. But at my back I always hear time's winged chariot hurrying near. નજીક ને નજીક મારી પાસે આવતો જાય મને પકડવા માટે. I know that I am going to die. I know that I don't have existence beyond 100 years. And where is the guarantee that I will live for 100? I may die at 70, I may die at 80. So he says, but at my back I always hear time's winged chariot hurrying near. And yonder all before us lie deserts of vast eternity. And yonder and here before us lie all deserts of vast eternity. But I know that world will remain here. This world will remain open before us here. And I will be taken away by time. સમય આવશે ત્યારે મારે જવું જ પડશે. અને સમયનો રથ તો પાંખો વાળો રથ. Time's winged chariot it is. It is coming in order to take me away. And thy beauty shall no more be found. And once I am taken away by time, કોઈને છોડતો તો નથી સમય. સમય કોઈને છોડ. વક્ત કેટલા લોકોએ જોયું છે? વક્ત વક્ત હું બલરાજ સાહની, સુનિલ દત્ત અને રાજકુમારની સાથે એનું એક ફિલ્મ આવેલું BR ચોપરાનું, એ વક્તની વાત કરું છું. બહુ જૂનું ફિલ્મ છે, જોઈ લેજો. Time's winged chariot comes to take each and every person, to take away each and every person. We all have to go. Nobody is eternal here. લોકો બોલતા હોય જેવું, મને પરમેનન્ટ નોકરી મળી, મને પરમેનન્ટ આ મળ્યું ને તે મળ્યું. અરે લાઈફ ટેમ્પરરી છે તો પરમેનન્ટ બીજું શું તને મળવાનું હતું? when life itself is temporary, we should not take it for granted that we are permanent. No, we are temporary. We are all passengers of a train. જ્યારે જેનું સ્ટેશન આવશે ત્યારે ઉતરી પડશે એમાંથી. It is like that. So here he says, but at my back I would have taken enough time to praise your body. But no, I can't do that, because at my back I hear time's winged chariot coming to take me away. મેં વર્ષોના વર્ષો તારે વખાણ કરવામાં વિતાવ્યા હોત, તને પ્રેઝ કરવામાં, તારા શરીરને પ્રેઝ કરવામાં, તારા પ્રેમને પ્રેઝ કરવામાં, તારા હૃદયને પ્રેઝ કરવામાં, પણ શું કરું? આ પાંખો વાળા રથમાં બેસીને સમય આવી રહ્યો છે અને મને એક વખત લઈ જશે. I know that I am going to die. I don't have enough time, he states. But at my back I always hear time's winged chariot hurrying near, and yonder all before us lie deserts of vast eternity. Thy beauty shall no more be found. And once that time's winged chariot comes, your beauty will no more remain. Your beauty will not remain. It will never be found then. Thy beauty shall no more be found, nor in thy marble vault. The beauty which is right now in your marble vault, your body is just like the body of marble. આરસપાણની પુતળી હોઉ એવી તું છું, પણ એમાં કોઈ સુંદરતા પછી નહીં રહે. Marble, vault of marble. You are right now just like a statue made of marble. તું એટલી સુંદર છું જાણે કે માર્બલની આરસપાણની બનેલી પુતળી હોઉં. પણ એ સુંદરતા નહીં રહે એક દિવસ જ્યારે સમયનો રથ આવીને લઈ જશે ત્યારે. Going ahead. Thy beauty shall no more be found, nor in thy marble vault shall sound my echoing song. Nor in thy marble vault shall sound my echoing song. Right now, my song gets echoed because of your presence. હું જે બોલું છું એ મીઠા પડઘા દ્વારા તારી આગળથી પાછું આવે છે મારી પાસે. Because you are alive. But once we are taken away by time, whatever I speak will not be echoed. આજે તો હું જે કહું એનો તરત જ તું રિસ્પોન્સ મને આપું છું. Because you are alive. એનો પડઘો, મારા બોલનો પડઘો પડે છે આજે. You respond to my words because you are alive. But once you are taken away by time's winged chariot, then my words will not get any echo. મૃત્યુ પામેલું શરીર હોય પછી તમે કહો કે હેલો કેમ છો તો કોણ જવાબ આપવાનું હતું? Dead body will never give the answer. So once we are taken away by time's winged chariot, even if I express my love, your beautiful body will not respond to it. કશો જવાબ નહીં આપે. Thy beauty shall no more be found, nor in thy marble vault shall sound my echoing song. Then one shall try that long preserved virginity. તો શું અત્યારે મને હા કે let us meet, don't be shy. Once we die, we are going to die. Worms shall try that long preserved virginity. જુઓ તો ખરા, તું જે કૌમાર્યની વાત કરો છો, તું જે પવિત્રતાની વાત કરું છું, આમ ને આમ મૃત્યુ થશે તો પછી કબરમાં કીડા તારી કૌમાર્યને ખાશે. Don't do that. We don't have enough time. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. શરમાળ ન બનીશ. મારા પ્રેમનો પ્રતિભાવ આપ. આમ ને આમ જો મૃત્યુ પામીશ તો છેલ્લે તારું કૌમાર્ય અને તારું સૌંદર્ય એના બંને છેલ્લે કોણ ખાશે? કીડાઓ ખાશે કબરની. You know, then one shall try that long preserved virginity and your quaint honor turn to dust. અને આજે તું જે માનની ઓનરની વાત કરું છું કે મારી સાથે વાત કરીશ તો તારો આબરૂ જશે, that would become dust. As long as you are alive, you think about abru, you know, your reputation. Once you die, once a person dies, even that reputation mingles with dust. Nobody then cares for it. And into ashes all my lust. And into ashes all my lust. Once we are taken away by time's winged chariot, even my lust will mingle. That will also become ashes. મારું જે છે મોહ તારા પ્રત્યેનો એની પણ રાખ થઈ જશે. Ashes means રાખ. Going ahead. The grave is a fine and private place. હા, હું એગ્રી થઉં છું. The grave is a fine and private. આમ તો કબર એ સારી જગ્યા છે. Fine, private place. કોઈ તમને ડિસ્ટર્બ ન કરે. Nobody is there to disturb you. But none, I think, do their embrace. પણ કબરની અંદર કોઈ કોઈને આલિંગન કેવી રીતે આપે? એટલે જીવતા જીવ અત્યારે આપણે બંને આલિંગન આપીએ એકબીજાને. શરમાઈશ નહીં તું કહેવા એમ માગે છે. No doubt, grave is a nice place. But in grave, No body ever embraces any other body. કબર છે સારી જગ્યા, શાંત જગ્યા, પણ ત્યાં આગળ પ્રેમની અભિવ્યક્તિ ના થઈ શકે. તો અત્યારે જીવતે જીવ હું તને પ્રેમ મારો વ્યક્ત કરવા માંગુ તો શર્મા શું કામ થઈ જાઉં છું? And the grave is a fine and private place, but none I think do their embrace. And now therefore, પહેલા પૂરતો સમય હોત તો હું આમ કરત તેમ કરત, પછી પણ સમય નથી. અને હવે સમજાવે છે therefore એટલે કહું છું therefore, now therefore, while the youthful you sits on thy skin like morning dew. Youth is having you are having youth and it is as much transitory as morning dew. Tell me, how long does that dewdrop remain on the petal of the flower? ઝાકળ બિંદુ ફૂલોની પાંખડી ઉપર ક્યાં સુધી રહે? બોલો કયો, ટેલ મી. ઝાકળ બિંદુ ફૂલોની પાંખડી ઉપર ક્યાં સુધી રહે?
જ્યાં સુધી સૂર્ય ન ઉગે ત્યાં સુધી.
Okay, right. As long as the sun rays do not fall, as long as the sun rays do not touch that petal, once the sun rays touch the petal, the dewdrop will evaporate. બાષ્પીભવન થઈ જાય. Youth is also like this. આ યુવાની એટલી જ બહુ થોડા સમયની છે. That is what he wants to say. Now, એટલા માટે કબર સારી જગ્યા છે, પણ કબરમાં કઈ આપણે વાતચીત નહીં કરી શકીએ. એટલા માટે now therefore, while the youthful you sits on thy skin like morning dew, the way morning dew sits on the petal of the flower, youth is right now on thy skin. આજે તું જ્યારે યુવાન છું ત્યારે મારા પ્રેમને સ્વીકારને. પૂરતો સમય હોત તો હું તને આમ કરત તેમ કરત બધું બહુ કીધું, પણ કે છે કે ના આવું તો થાય એવું જ નથી, કારણ કે સમયનો પાંખો વાળો રથ બરોબર આ પાછળ આવી રહ્યો છે મને પકડીને લઈ જવા. કબર જગ્યા તો સારી, પણ કબરમાં પ્રેમ ન અભિવ્યક્ત થઈ શકે. એટલા માટે કહું છું therefore, now therefore, while the youthful you sits on thy skin like morning dew, and while thy wheeling soul transpires at every pore with instant fires, now let us spot us, while we may, and now like amorous birds of prey, rather at once our time devour than languish in the slow chapped power. Let us today take our time and be one. Let us enjoy our days of love. Let us not waste even a single moment of life, but let us love, Don't be coy. એટલે શરમાળ બનીશ નહીં તું, કારણ કે સમયનો રથ તો પાછળ આવી જ રહ્યો છે. અને યુવાની આપણી પાસે એટલો સમય રહે છે જેટલો સમય ઝાકળ બિંદુ ફૂલની પાંખડી ઉપર રહે. સૂર્યનો પ્રકાશ પડ્યો, ઝાકળ બિંદુ જતું રહે છે. તરત જ થોડા વર્ષોમાં જવાની હોય એ the youth is not permanent, मेरा नाम जोकरनी अंदर छे ने. ये दुनिया एक सर्कस है, और ये सर्कस है शो के 3 घंटे का. पहला घंटा बचपन, दूसरा जवानी, तीसरा बुढ़ापा. तो रिंग मास्टर पूछे और उसके बाद, एंड राज कपूर इन द रोल ऑफ जोकर से, माँ नहीं, बाप नहीं, बेटा नहीं, बेटी नहीं, मैं नहीं, तू नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं रहता है जो कुछ वो खाली खाली तंबू है, खाली बिना चिड़िया का बसेरा है. That is what he says. Youth is not permanent. The prime time of youth is just for several years. And so he says, therefore, at every pore, therefore, when every part of your body, every, particle of your body is ablaze with fire. You are passing through the youth time. It has got its own desire. Now let us quote us while we may, and now like amorous birds of prey. Let us become amorous birds of prey. ભલે શિકાર થઈ જાય આપણો, પણ પ્રેમના પંખી આપણે બની જઈએ બંને. ભલે આપણો શિકાર થઈ જાય. And rather at once our time devour. એક ક્ષણમાં આપણે આપણો બધો સમયને એન્જોય કરી લઈએ. Let us enjoy our time together within one moment, instead of living a long life in suffering and separation. Then languish in his slow chapped power. Let us roll all our strength and all our sweetness up into the one ball and tear our pleasures with rough strife through the iron gates of life. Let us break this iron gate of life. આ જીવનની ઉપર જે લોખંડનો ઝાંપો છે ને, એને તોડી નાખીએ આપણે. And let us for a moment devour our life and devour all the joys of life and going ahead and tear our pleasures with rough strife through the iron gates of life. Thus, though we cannot make our sun stand still, finally, of course, it is not within our reach to make the sun stand still. સૂર્યને તો અટકાવી ન શકીએ. We can't bring time to a standstill condition. No. सुबह जाती है, रात आती है यूं ही, वक्त चलता ही रुकता है, रुकता नहीं. एक पल में वो आगे निकल जाता है. आदमी ठीक से देख पाता नहीं और पर्दे से मंजर बदल जाते हैं. एक बार चले जाते हैं जो दिन रात सुबह शाम, वो फिर नहीं आते. Here he says it is not within our reach to bring time to a standstill condition. સમયને તો આપણે સ્થિર ન કરી શકીએ, નહીતર કોઈ જુવાનીના સમયને જવા જ ન દે, પાછો પકડી રાખે બરોબર. But that doesn't happen. No. અને એટલા માટે સમય તો એની ગતિએ વહેતો જ હોય, પણ આપણા ભાવ પ્રમાણે આપણે સમયને જુદા જુદા સજેશન. જ્યારે દુઃખનો સમય આવતો હોય ને, ત્યારે આપણે પેલું ગીત ગાય છે, સમય તું જલ્દી જલ્દી ચલ, આજ કા દિન હૈ ઇતના ભારી, कैसे जाए पल, સમય તું ધીરે ધીરે જલ્દી જલ્દી ચલ. અને પ્રેમના સરસ દિવસો હોય ને, ત્યારે પાછું આપણે ગીત બદલી નાખીએ છીએ, સમય તું ધીરે ધીરે ચલ. કર્મ નામની એક ફિલ્મ આવેલી, એની વાત હું કરી રહ્યો છું. કર્મા નહીં, દિલીપ કુમાર વાળી. કર્મ નામની એક જન્માક્ષર ઉપર આધારિત ફિલ્મ હતી. ઓકે, કમિંગ બેક ટુ ધ પોઈન્ટ. Thus, though we cannot make our sun stand still, yet we will make him run. Yet we will make him run. Okay, we can't bring sun or time to a standstill condition, but at least we can make our own life happy by, parting with this coyness. Let us make every moment of our youth as the moment of love and a moment of togetherness. સાથે રહેવાની એક દરેક ક્ષણને આપણે બનાવી દઈએ, because time's winged chariot is after us. This is your poem with the title To His Coy Mistress. To His Coy Mistress. હવે આના પોઈન્ટ્સ લખી લો તમે. 1 મિનિટ. ટાઇટલ તો લખાયું છે, only 1 મિનિટ. Okay. First paragraph. Yes, please begin. To his coy mistress. You should put the title into inverted commas. to his coy mistress. Is to his coy mistress is a poem with is to his coy mistress is a poem with metaphysical conceit. To his coy mistress is a poem with metaphysical conceit. CONCEIT. To his coy mistress is a poem with metaphysical conceit, and it proves and it proves and it proves PROVES, and it proves Andrew Marvell and it proves Andrew Marvell and it proves Andrew Marvell a real follower of a real REAL, a real follower FOLLOWER, a real follower of the school of a real follower of the school of SCHOOL, a real follower of the school of John Donne. A real follower of the school of John Donne. Marvell has made here. Marvell has made here use of. Marvell has made here use of an image. Use of an image. Use of an image from the field of agriculture. Use of an image from the field of agriculture. From the field FIELD, from the field of agriculture. AGRICULTURE. Use of an image from the field of agriculture for the expression of love. For the expression of love. The present poem deals with the theme of love. The present poem deals DEALS. The present poem deals with the theme of love. The present poem deals with the theme of love. But the image that is used here, is, but the image that is used here is from, but the image that is used here, but the image that is used here is from the field of, is from the field of, FIELD, is from the field of agriculture. Kindly prepare the paragraph. The poem is addressed. The poem is addressed. ADDRESSED. The poem is addressed by. The poem is addressed by a lover. The poem is addressed by a lover to, by a lover to his beloved. Is addressed by a lover to his beloved. She is very coy. She is very coy. COY dash. She is very coy dash. Shy. And the lover tries to, and the lover tries to, TRIES, and the lover tries to convince, CONVINC, and the lover tries to convince her, and the lover tries to convince her that since they do not have, and the lover tries to convince her that since, SINCE, since they do not have, since they do not have enough time, since they do not have enough time, ENOUGH, since they do not have enough time, comma, since they do not have enough time, comma, she should not be, she should not be, she should not be shy. The lover considers, the lover considers, the lover considers, CONSIDERS, the lover considers her shyness, the lover considers her shyness a crime, her shyness a crime. The lover considers her shyness a crime because within, because within, WITHIN, because within limited time and, because within limited time and, because within limited LIMITD, because within limited time and space, because within limited time and space, they have to, because within limited time and space, they have to love each other. They have to love each other. The lover gives an account of, the lover gives an account of, the lover gives an account of how, the lover gives an account of how he would have loved her. How he would have loved her, comma. How he would have loved her, comma. Praised her. He would have loved her, praised her, comma. Had he enough time, had he enough time and space, had he enough time and space, had he enough time and space. But the lover knows but the lover knows that they have neither NEITHER, but the lover knows that they have neither enough time nor space, neither enough time nor space to express love. It is within limited time of youth. It is within limited LIMITED time of youth. યુવાનીના મર્યાદિત સમયમાં. It is within limited time of youth that it is within limited time of youth that they have to live. LIVE. It is within limited time of youth that they have to live. And so, he suggests her. And so he suggests her not to be coy. COY. Not to be coy. Not to be coy. Paragraph કરજો. The lover describes in detail how how he would have loved her. How he would have loved her. had he જો આમ હોત તો had he enough time. How he would have loved her had he enough time and space. Had he enough time and space. He would have continued. નવું વાક્ય છે. He would have continued. CONTINUED. He would have continued. He would have continued expressing his love. He would have continued expressing his love for 10 long years. For 10 long years. And he would not have objected. And he would not have objected. And he would not have objected. OBJECTED. And he would not have objected. And he would not have objected. Even if. And he would not have objected even if the lady would have said, even if the lady Would, W-O-U-L-D, would have, H-E-V. Even if the lady would have said, even if the lady would have said no, even if the lady would have said no to his proposal, he would have passed 100 years. He would have, would, W-O-U-L-D, H-A-V-E, have. He would have passed, P-A-S-S-E-D, pasar karya hot. He would have passed. He would have passed 100 years. 100 years in, he would have passed 100 years in praising. He would have passed 100 years, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. He would have passed 100 years in praising, P-R-A-I-S-I-N-G, in praising her eyes. In praising her eyes. In praising her eyes. $200 years. 200 years, 200 વર્ષ. 200 years he would have spent. 200 વર્ષ એને ખર્ચ્યા હોત, ક્ષમા. 200 years he would have spent, S-P-E-N-T. 200 years he would have spent in 200 years he would have spent in praising his, I'm sorry, 200 years he would have spent in praising, P-R-A-I-S-I-N-G, in praising her breast, B-R-E-A-S-T, in praising her breast, in praising her each breast, એમ કહેજો, વાંગને માટે 200 થાય. 200 years he would have spent in praising her each breast. For the remaining of her body, for the remaining of her body, for the remaining of her body, comma, for the remaining of her body, he would have used 30, he would have used for the remaining part of her body, he would have used 30,000 years. 30,000 years to praise. 30,000 years to praise. He believes that his beloved, he believes that his beloved deserves. He believes that his beloved deserves, D-E-S-E-R-V-E-S. He believes that his beloved deserves this kind of, his beloved deserves this kind of honor. This kind of honor, H-O-N-O-U-R. This kind of honor. He believes that his beloved deserves this, deserves, D-E-S-E-R-V-E-S, deserves this kind of honor. This kind of honor. Paragraph for you. The lover would like to pass. The lover would like to pass his time. The lover would like to pass his time the lover would like to pass his time very lavishly. L-E-V-I-S-H-L-Y. The lover would like to pass his time very lavishly in her company. In her company. But in her company, but the time is different. But the time is different. But the time is different. He hears every moment. દરેક ક્ષણ એને સંભળાય છે. He hears, H-E-A-R-S. He hears every moment, M-O-M-E-N-T. He hears every moment the winged chariot of time. He hears every moment the winged, W-I-N-G-E-D, the winged chariot of time. The winged chariot of time. The winged chariot of, આખું વાક્ય વાંચો તો ફરીથી.
He hears every moment of the winged chariot of time.
He fears every, ફરીથી આખું વાક્ય બોલો તો.
Yes, sir. He hears every moment the winged chariot of time.
He hears every moment the winged chariot of time approaching, A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H-I-N-G, approaching very fast, approaching very fast towards, T-O-W-A-R-D-S, approaching very fast towards them. It refers to time's winged chariot એટલે મૃત્યુ. It refers to death. It refers to death. The lover knows that, the lover knows, K-N-O-W-S, the lover knows that none can escape, N-O-N-E, the lover knows that none can escape from, none can escape, છટકી કોઈ ના શકે, E-S-C-A-P-E, none can escape from, none can express from the clutch of time, C-L-U-T-C-H, none can escape from the clutch of time, from the clutch of time, none can escape from the clutch of time. And so he requests his beloved, and so he requests his beloved, and so he requests his beloved to accept his love, A-C-C-E-P-T, to accept his love, to accept his love without being coy and shy, without being coy and shy, without being coy and shy. Today we stop here. આજે આપણે અહીંયા અટકીએ છીએ. હવે કાલનો દિવસ બાકી છે, આના પોઈન્ટ્સ હું લખાવી દઈશ અને પછી જ્યોર્જ હર્બર્ટની એક કવિતા છે ધ કોલર, એ આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. જો સમયની જરૂરત પડશે તો બીજો વધારાનો અડધો કલાક હું કહીશ બારડ સાહેબને, મને આપશે. પણ કાલે હજુ આપણે મળીએ છીએ, કાલે તો મળીએ જ છીએ દિવસ દરમિયાન. થોડું આગળ થોડું ચલાવીએ, હજુ વાંધો નહીં. તમારે ઉતાવળ નથી ને કોઈ?
ના ના સર.
ઓકે ઓકે, તો આપણે જરા આગળ જઈએ છીએ. લખી લો. જો થોડો હજુ આમ તો સમય બાકી છે, પણ તમને એવું ન થવું જોઈએ કે આ મંડ્યા ને મંડ્યા જ રહે છે એટલા માટે. તો લખી લો. આ લખી લેવાશે. હા, છેલ્લું વાક્ય બોલો. પ્લીઝ.
The lovers knows that none can escape from the clutch of time, and so he requests her beloved to accept his love without being coy and shy.
Without being coy and shy.
Shy.
હા, યસ યસ. Once they die, મૃત્યુ પામે પછી તો શું? Once, ONC, એક વખત મરીએ પછી તો once they die, comma, they will mingle with, they will mingle, MINGLE, ભળી જવું. They will mingle with dust. They will mingle with dust. And they will mingle with dust and they will mingle with dust and live in their grave, and they live in their grave. પછી તો ત્યાં રહેશે એ લોકો. And live in their, THEIR, and live in their grave. No doubt. નવું વાક્ય છે. No doubt. બેશક, જેને તમે કહ્યું no doubt. Grave is, no doubt, grave is a private, no doubt, grave is a private and peaceful place. Grave is a private and peaceful place. શાંતિ વાળી જગ્યા. Peaceful, PACEFUL. No doubt, grave is a private and peaceful place. But once they go, but once, એક વખત જાય એટલે once, ONC, but once they go, but once they go, comma, they will never be able to express, they will never be able to express, they will never be able to express love. They will never be able to express love. They will never be able to express their love. Full stop. His song will never get, his song will never get, his song will never get the effect of echo. The effect, his song will never get the effect of echo. Effect, EFFECT, the effect of echo, ECHO, will never get the effect of echo. At present, અત્યારે તો શું છે? At present, at present his love is responded, at present his love is responded by her. But at present his love is responded by her. But once they go to grave, ONC, but once they go to grave, comma, there will be once they go to grave, વાક્ય શું છે? હા,
At present, his love is responded by her, but once they go to grave, there will be
there will be no response. There will be no response. RESPONS. There will be no response. There will be no response from. There will be no response from her side. There will be no response from her side. Paragraph करजो. The lover tries to convince. The lover tries to convince her that the lover tries to convince her that the span of youth, that the span, SPAN, that the span of youth, the lover tries to convince her that the span of youth is, the span of youth is, યુવાનીનો સમયગાળો, the span of youth is as short, એટલો ટૂંકો, is as short, SHORT, the span of youth is as short as the life of, as short as the life of, as short as the life of a dewdrop, as short as the life of a dewdrop, ઝાકળ બિંદુની જેટલું જીવન હોય, as short as the life of dewdrop on, as short as the life of dewdrop on the petal, પાકડી, on the petal, PETAL, petal એટલે પાકડી, on the petal of a flower, on the petal of a flower, on the petal of a flower, FLOWER, on the petal of a flower, on the petal of a flower. Right now, અત્યારે જ્યારે તું યુવાન છું ત્યારે, right now, when both are, right now, when both are passing, right now, when both are passing, PASSING, right now, when both are passing through, THROUGH, right now, when both are passing through, right now, when both are passing through the prime time of youth, when both are passing through the prime, PRIME, when both are passing through the prime time of youth, comma, she should not, when both are passing through the prime time of youth, comma, she should not be shy. She should not be shy, coy. She should not be shy, comma, coy, and reject his love, and reject his love. Since they are passing through, નવું વાક્ય છે, since they are, SINCES capital, since they are passing through, since they are passing through this flower of, since they are passing through this flower of youth, since they are passing through this flower of youth, comma, they should utilize it. They should utilize it. They should utilize it. and devour it, and devour it, devour, they should utilize it, devour it before it is before it is બહુ મોડું થઈ જાય પેલા, before it is too late. Before it is too late. The poem ends with a request of the lover. The poem ends with a request of the lover. With a request of the lover. That the poem ends with a request of the lover. That both should, that with a request that both should make their time, both should make their time. આપણે આપણા સમયને ક્વોલિટી ટાઈમ બનાવીએ. Both should make their time, THEIR, their time, a quality time. Both should make their time a quality time by a quality time by responding to love, by responding to love, by responding to love, responding, RESPONDING, by responding to love, by responding to love of each other. It is not possible for them. It is not possible for them. It is not possible for them to, it is not possible for them to stop. It is not possible for them to stop the movement of the sun. The movement of the sun. It is not possible for them to stop the movement of the sun. It is not possible for them to stop the movement of the sun. But at least, પરંતુ આટલું તો કરી શકે આપણા સમયને તો અટકાવીને. It is not possible for them to stop the movement of the sun, but at least they can, but at least they can, but at least, LES, come se come, but at least they can, but at least they can make their time, but at least they can make their time. They can make their time, THEIR, they can make their time they can make their time a quality time. They can make their time a quality time. They can make their time a quality time. This is your poem to his coy mistress. સૂર્યને તો આપણે અટકાવી શકીએ એવી આપણી હેસિયત નથી, પણ જે સમય છે એને આપણે ક્વોલિટી વાળો સમય તો ચોક્કસ બનાવી શકીએ. That is the request made by the lover to his beloved. Is it clear? આ કવિતા તમને સ્પષ્ટ થઈ કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
શરમાશો નહીં?
Yes, sir.
કારણ કે થીમ જ એ છે કે શરમાશો તો એ ગુજરાતીમાં કહે છે કર્માશો, શરમાશો તો કર્માશો, એવું છે આ. તો હવે એક કવિતા આપણી રહી, and that is the collar. The collar. See the image. કયો કોલર આમાં? કયો કોલર? શર્ટ નો? The collar. The collar is an image. But what the poet wants to say is something different. The collar. It is written not by Andrew Marvell, mind well. It is written by George Herbert. George Herbert. એટલે આપણે ત્રણ કવિતા ડનની જોઈ, એક જોઈએ માર્વેલની, અને હવે એક આ જોઈએ એ જ્યોર્જ હર્બર્ટની છે. Okay. The Collar by George Herbert. I struck on the board and cried, "No more. I will abroad." What? Shall I ever sign and pine? My lines and life are free. Free as the road, loose as the wind, large as the store. Rebel is there here, The speaker says, I came to the board and struck. I struck the board and cried, "No more. I will abroad." I went to the altar in the church, but then no. Life in me. 1 minute. I struck the board and cried, "No more. I will abroad." I hope you have seen the church. How many of you have gone to the church? જોયું છે church?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Good. Being students of English literature, at least once you should go to the church and see. I struck the board, which means I was taken to the altar and cried, "No more. I will abroad." ના, મારે અહીંયા નથી, હું તો જતો રહીશ અહીંથી. I disliked it because I am full of desires. What? Shall I ever sigh and pine? My lines and life are free, free as the road. I want to live life freely. I don't want to come to the board. I don't want to come to the altar. No, please. Ha. I struck the board and cried, no more I will abroad. Shall I ever sigh and pine? My lines and life are free, free as the road. You know, my life is free, just like road. Why should I pine? Why should I suffer? Let me enjoy life, says the lover. And loose as the wind and as large as the store. Shall I be still in shoot? Shall I be still in shoot? And yet I have to go to the church and pray to Lord and stand near the altar. I don't want to do that. No, my life is as free as the road. Let me enjoy life. Have I no harvest but the thorn to let my blood and not restore? Shall I be still? I'm sorry. Have I no harvest but a thorn? Have I never done anything good in my life? કેટલાક લોકો બાવળિયા રોપે જીવનમાં, ભાઈ કાંટા લાગે. કેટલાક લોકો ગુલાબ રોપે, એના પણ જો કે કાંટા તો હોય જ તે. પણ તમે જે રોપો, ગુજરાતીમાં તો કહેવત હતી, પહેલા ગુજરાતી શાળામાં લખતા આપે પૂરા અક્ષરે, જેવું વાવશો તેવું શું? જેવું વાવશો તેવું
લણશો.
very good, very good. Yes. જેવું વાવશો એવું. Have I no harvest but a thorn? શું મારા પક્ષે કઈ સારા કર્મો છે જ નહીં, માત્ર કાંટા જ મેં રોપ્યા છે બધે, મેં કશું સારું કર્યું જ નથી. Have I no harvest but a thorn to let me blood for my bleeding? Have I simply committed sins? Have I not done anything good? That is what he wants to say. Have I no? If you do harvest, you will be benefited. If you sow bubble, then you will get thorns. मैं कहीं सारू करियो ज नहीं. Have I no harvest but a thorn to let me blood and no restore? What I have lost with cordial fruit. Sure, there was wine before my sighs did dry it. There was a corn. Here he enters into argument with his own self. પોતાની જાત સાથે આર્ગ્યુમેન્ટ કરે છે આ કવિતામાં, અહીંયા આગળ આ સ્ટેન્ઝામાં. પણ એ હવે આપણે આવતીકાલે કરીશું ફરીથી. ટુડે વી સ્ટોપ હિયર. આજે આપણે અહીંયા અટકીએ છીએ, કારણ કે ડોઝ વધારે પડતો ન થવો જોઈએ, યુ નો, તકલીફ પડે. તો ટુડે વી સ્ટોપ હિયર. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ફોર અટેન્ડિંગ ધીસ ક્લાસ. ખબર નથી તમે કંટાળતા પણ હશો આજ કે બોર પણ થતા હશો.
No, sir.
પણ સારું.
ના સર,
No, sir.
થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
We are enjoying.
ઓકે, હવે આપણે એક ક્લાસ રહ્યો છે, કાલે જ મોટે ભાગે મળીશું. અને આ જ રીતે 12 થી 1:30 અથવા તો 11:30 થી 1 એવી રીતે આપણે કરીશું. એ તો હું બારડ સાહેબને વાત કરી દઈશ. આજે હવે આપણે અહીંયા ટુડે વી સ્ટોપ હિયર. ઓકે, આ કવિતા હું ડિસ્કસ કરી અને તમને એના પોઈન્ટ્સ પણ આપી દઈશ. એટલે 5 કવિતાનું આપણે થશે, 3 ડનની, 1 માર્વેલની અને 1 હર્બર્ટની. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ફોર અટેન્ડિંગ માય ક્લાસ. નાઉ
Thank
you
you,
can
sir.
leave. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.